Industry secret, y'all. Luxury watch markups are insane. Sheesh. Want to flex without emptying your bank account? I got you, fam. Meet the Pagani design watch. Luxury vibes, affordable price. It's bussin'. Automatic movement? Say less. It's always ready, no battery needed. Period T. Luminous display? Perfect for diving or just showing off in the dark. Slay. Steel tough, water resistant. Wear it anywhere, anytime. No cap. Click the link. Level up your style game today. You won't regret it, bestie.